Okay, so Miss Mishka's gonna be trying a new waffle today. It's the Open Nature shredded salmon dinner. So let's go ahead and give this to her and see how it goes. Someone's hungry today. Are you hungry? Yeah? Ow? You Russian? Yeah? You're Russian? Russian kitty. Meow. Hungry kitty. Are you hungry? Would you like to try this new food? Huh? Would you like to try the new food? Yeah? New food? Yeah. Go ahead. Here you go. Yeah, looks like she likes it. I'm just gonna leave her to it. And that's Mishka's review on the new Open Nature food. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And share. And we'll see you guys in the next time. Bye. Bye.